this VPN application here, and pretty much so how can you use the application, stay protected on nights. Make sure you watch closely, stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This screen here, this is pretty much this home screen of the application here. Nothing hard for you to not understand. Over here, you pretty much add the smart proxy option, which pretty much app filtering feature, which pretty much enables you to select whichever application you don't want to get VPN connection and which you do. So that's really pretty much it for that feature. Anything else you can see as busy on the settings here, pretty much have the TCP mode, which pretty much enables you, as you can see, pretty much explains itself. So that's pretty much it for that. So at the top here, me see and crown icon, this is pretty much where you go to get the subscription. As you can see here, you get 3 days free trial. Then you start paying the monthly fee, as I can see here. But that's really pretty much it for the subscription. At the top here, me see a globe icon, which is pretty much where you go to select the server. Or you tap on where it says auto select, or you can tap any one of those. So these are all the servers, are all the free servers that we'll be able to use. So you can see here, not a lot of servers, but they're very, very fast. So let's say you want to use the United States, and just tap on United States, and then you go to the connect button. Once you tap on the connect button, it will ask for connection request, and we'll start connecting. Once connected, you're pretty much good to go. It's very fast, very stable, but it sometimes will take a bit of time to connect, but once you're connected, you're good to go and free to browse the internet. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very easy to use, and if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys. And I want to say, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.